Throughout this course, atomic assessments are used by students. We recognize that this is new software and would like to take a moment to walk you through the basics of using atomic assessments in the IDEAL courses. Atomic assessments can be accessed either by using the Atomic Assessments link on the left side navigation, which allows you to see all the atomic assessments in the course. Atomic assessments can be accessed within the page or as a standalone module item. Let's look at this atomic assessment embedded on a page. First, you'll notice the icons in the right corner. The assessment is in the student view as default, so you are seeing it as a student. Working left to right, first you'll see the green checkmark icon indicating the assessment is published. You can change the status by clicking on the icon. Next, by clicking on the blue button, you can edit the question list. You can also change the order, create a new question, or adjust the point total for each question from this page. Just remember to click Save after you have made any changes. Now let's look at the Reports button, where you can see the summary, responses, question scores, question stats, and outcomes reports associated with the assessment. As students work with the assessment, you can see the time spent, the number of attempts, the status, whether the item was sent to the gradebook, and the total points. To drill down further on the student's work, click on their name and you are taken to SpeedGrader. Here, you are able to see how the student answered each question. For items that are automatically graded, you are able to see what the student selected, the feedback that the student received, and provide your own additional comments that the student can see on an item or assessment level. Please note that some items have feedback and some do not. Going back to the assessment, when you click on the Settings button, which looks like a cogwheel, you can adjust things like total points, number of allowed attempts, due dates, or assign the assessment to specific students. If you click on the button with the three dots, you can find additional options, including the option to send grades to Gradebook, download responses, or print the assessment or answer key. Some atomic assessments are embedded in pages, and some are standalone items. You can easily identify a standalone atomic assessment by looking at the course homepage and looking for the assignment icon. Once you open the assignment, you are able to tell that this is an atomic assessment by noting the icons that we just discussed in the upper right-hand corner. Some courses have all embedded, all standalone, or a combination of both types of atomic assessments. You are able to utilize the Publish, Unpublish, Edit, Reports, and other buttons in the manner, regardless of where the atomic assessment is located. For more information about atomic assessments and reports, we recommend exploring the two links found on the Working with Atomic Assessments page. The Atomic Assessments page provides specific information on a number of items, including reports and how to use them. Before creating additional assessments or modifying assessments, we also encourage you to spend time on the How Do I Get Started with Atomic Assessments page for general information.